guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing today? In this video I'm going to be doing a unboxing video for you guys. I feel like I have not did an unboxing video in a very long time. So back in July I seen that Box of Goth was creating a horror box. Now, I got myself one. The Halloween edition one. If I know more about Box of Goth, I will put them down in the description box for you guys to go and check out. They also have an Instagram also. That's where I follow them on. Really excited to unbox this. This baby came all the way from the UK. It came all the way there to be with me today and to be unboxed. I'm from Canada, so it came a very long way. I did open the box because of the way that it looked. I just wanted to make sure like nothing was broken or anything, so I did get a little sneaky peeky in my box. Everything in the box was not broken or damaged or anything, so the way the box looked, you know. So there is this little slip. Has like everything that is in the box. Horror box 2.0. Thank you so much for your support. I hope you enjoy. And then their website is right there, boxofgothunboxing. Ooh. Okay, first thing I see is I seen this and I was like, that's cool. So this says you were home. This is from The Strangers. This cup is so neat. Of course I had to open it up. This is just what it looks like. Oh, cute. Other side, which I didn't know that, so good thing I opened it. It's cool. This is a cool booklet. Has Jigsaw, has Sam's Sucker, and the from It. And then it's just like a little like notepad, notes and stuff. There's a little sailboat. This is SS Georgie. I'm a sailboat. Happy Halloween. Anyway, I was. Box is this. Little coffin sticker on it. Box of Goth. That's so cute. I'll let you guys look at it first. Ooh! It's a Michael Myers top. Oh yeah! Looking cool. It's weird because I have a Michael Myers top on right now. I love that. Thing is this. Ooh, that's. Oh, this is what smells. The box smelled like really good. I didn't know what it was. This is a cherry shower whip. Mmm. Ooh. Oh my! Holy shit! That smells so good. You can smell it. It smells like cherry, like a strong cherry smell. Oh my goodness, I'm using this tonight in the shower. Next thing is this. This is like a little magnet of Jason. That's awesome. There is this. This is a bottle opener. Beer opener. I don't drink beer, but I drink liquor. So this is definitely going to come in handy, and it says murder, but if you like read it the other way, it's like read 'em. It's a cool axe too. Next is this. Oh, that's cool. I think Freddy Krueger's hand. That's freaking awesome. There's some stickers. It's pretty it's pretty badass. And this is Freddy Krueger's face. Of Jason. Of Goth pin. So 13th Halloween Evil Dead Exorcist with some popcorn there. So that's a really cool pin. I do collect pins, so this is gonna look awesome on my pin board. I think it's from The Nun, the movie. It's like a little like picture of the nun, so that's really cool. Everything that came in this box. Guys, that is everything that I got in this box of Goth, the horror box 2.0. I hope that you guys did enjoy it. Honestly, I thought that this box was great. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.